Hello, everybody, especially those friends who are interested to make their future in Forex trading. So today I'm going to tell you what a trader must have, what quality he must possess. Everybody can't trade. Trader must be a special person. He must have special qualities. Like the first quality is he must be knowledgeable. He must have knowledge of the market. He must know which report is coming at which time, from which country, which time, what was the previous figure, what is the forecast by the expert, and then what happened in the past on the same reports, whether the market went up or down. If the report was positive, whether the market went up. If the report is negative, whether the market came down. So he must be a knowledgeable person. He must be an alert person, all the time, alert. What is happening? Something is happening all the time through the world. So he has to be always an alert person. He must know which time which report is coming, and he should be in front of the computer at that time. So the person must be knowledgeable. He must know about the techniques of the trading. He must know the technical analysis. He must know the fundamental analysis, the report which I said, and then the psychology of the market. That is very important. So he must be a knowledgeable person. The man who has more knowledge about the Forex trading, the more he will be successful. Number one. Number two, he must be a disciplined person. Disciplined person in this case means which time to enter the market, which time to exit the market. What are the best timing to trade? 3 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Which time suits him? Which time the market is more volatile? And how much money he is going to make, and with a stop loss. He has to be disciplined. And he has to be disciplined how much money is his target for the day. Once he achieves the target, he must get out from the market. He has to be disciplined. Self-discipline. Next, he must be focused. While trading, you have to be focused on the market. You have to be focused on the trading. You must be focused to find out whether the spikes have been made or not. Spikes at the bottom, spikes at the top. Whether the spikes have been made or not. The indicators have been created or not. If he is focused on the trade, he can trade successfully. The only thing he can do is just listen to the news. If the news coming, yes, he can listen to the news, very important. The rest of other things, no, at that time. Totally focused. Then he must be an organized person. The thing should be in organized fashion. His computers, his screens, his table, his own forecast, and so he has to be organized person. His surrounding must be organized. His table must be neat and clean with the desired papers, and no extra things. Just only about Forex. The things about Forex should be understood. Next, he must make a trade plan. He must make a trade plan. The person who makes a plan is successful. The person who trades without a plan, he is always a failure. Very important. Next, he must be a positive person. Positive. To be positive is very important in this field. Negative people cannot succeed in Forex trading. You have to be always positive. Next is, you must control your fear and greed. If you've achieved your target of the day, close. Just close. Stop trading. So, you must control your greed and fear. You must control your fear. You must not get out when you lose 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips, 5 pips. If your strategy is right, you have to wait. If you are losing for a short while, it's okay, it's a part of the business. But lose as little as possible, make as more as possible. Next is consistency. You must be a consistent person. You have to be a consistent person. And then you must be a passionate person. The person who is very volatile, he cannot be successful. He cannot trade properly. You must be a passionate person. The person who is passionate is successful. You have to wait for the turn to make your profits. Consistent, passionate, very important. And one very important thing, Forex trading is a business. In every business there is a profit, there is a loss. So in this field there is profit, but there is a loss as well. So never trade without a stop loss. Very important. Whenever you enter the market, you must put a stop loss first. And where to put a stop loss, this topic I will discuss in the next session. Thank you very much for listening.